Hey guys, welcome back to 3 Over Kydex. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make some magazine pouches for the 3914 Smith & Wesson DAO. I know that's like a huge word to say, but it's an off-duty all-steel construction metal gun. I happen to have one right here. I'm just going to check it, make sure it's clear, safe, and empty, and it is. So if you're familiar with this type of weapon, you understand it's kind of a little bit older or nostalgic, and a lot of police departments still run this gun. It's not bad as a quote-unquote off-duty side piece backup gun, but it is all steel construction. It is a hammer-fired gun, and it's very, very difficult to find magazine pouches and holsters for these guns, which is where I come into play. So if you're interested in that, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to 3 Over Kydex, go to where it says mag pouch or holster. There's a form there. Fill out that form, tell me what you have, right side, left side, bullets forward, bullets back, single mag pouch, double mag pouch. It'll bring you to the cart. Click on the cart, pay whichever price is there depending on your options, and then you check out. And it's that simple. I'll make it for you, and maybe I'll even film it for you, okay? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make mag pouches, all right? This is the magazine. The magazine only holds 8. It's very similar to like a 1911 style, but it shoots 9mm instead of 45. And what I have done is I already started mocking this up. Okay, so I took one of the magazines, and you can only do this with steel magazines. Don't do it with plastic or plastic covered magazines. You might wind up melting some things. This piece right here is a mock-up piece of steel, and what that does is that is going to hold my phobie clip in place. I don't know if you can see that right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is wrap some Kydex around it and make some pouches. Now the customer wanted not only a holster, but he also wanted magazine pouches. He wanted 2 singles. Also, remember to add some ammunition or bullets, or in my case I like to use dummy rounds because dummy rounds are a little bit safer when you make mag pouches, because if you make a mag pouch and it doesn't have any ammo in there, the Kydex will form around there and you won't be able to get that magazine in there. There isn't a lot of molds for this type of magazine, so you could probably use a 1911 magazine mold if you wanted to, or you can just use the actual magazine, which is what I'm doing here. So what I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff if I forget to tell you. Go to 3 Over Kydex if you're looking for a Kydex holster with these older guns. It's kind of a little bit hard to find. 3914 or 3913. Also, I think there's a TSW version, which is the tactical version with the rail. I can make that one as well. And let's get started. Let's start making this thing. So this is the 3914 single stack 9mm magazine. Was able to make a very nice fold over sheath for it, or pouch. It does have the Phobos clip with the C-clamp on there. You can see that right there. What that's going to do is keep it on your belt. This was designed as a left carry and outside the waistband. Again, you could flip it around if you want. You could wear it on the other side. You could do whatever you like. But what I need you guys to do, if you're interested in something like this, go to threeriverkydex.com. Make sure you guys are on that mailing list. Go to threeriverkydex.com. Go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, then email address, and hit send. The only place I'm sending my discount codes are on that mailing list. So if you're not on it, you're not going to get the code. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Take care.